Welcome back to Peak Pursuits Adventures. Normally you'd find me in the wild, hiking, fishing, chasing sunsets. But today the adventure is right here in the man cave. Because what's more daring than opening your beloved PS5 and giving it a heart transplant? This little guy? A Samsung 990 Pro 4TB with Heatsink. It's like feeding your PS5 a 5-star meal after living on trail mix. Every great adventure needs the right tools. Today's survival kit, the Phillips screwdriver. Steady hands and bravery to void zero warranties. Sony says it's safe. I say, let's find out. If you've ever played Jenga, this part will feel familiar. PS5 armor plate removed. Don't panic if you hear a little pop sound. That's just your PS5 saying, are you sure about this, bro? All right, behold the mystical expansion slot. Sony left it here like a hidden side quest for the brave few willing to embark. This is the M.2 slot of the PS5. This screw right here, barely in camera field of view. This is a Phillips screw that actually holds the SSD chip in place. This is it. 4 terabytes of pure digital wilderness. Enough room to store every Call of Duty update. Maybe even twice. We're gonna slide that in. Make sure that that dowel is moved over to the length of the SSD. And then we're going to insert the screw to ensure security. Make sure that when you slide this in at an angle, you're going to just press it down gently before screwing that into place. Just like pitching a tent after a long day on the trail, except this time, no blisters. And just like that, the PS5 is leveled up. It's like carrying a bear vault full of snacks. But instead of calories, we've got terabyte, the moment of truth. The PS5 will ask you if you want to format the SSD. Hit OK unless you enjoy watching error messages more than you enjoy playing games. And that's a win. Read speed, 6699 megabytes per second. Has been formatted. And there you have it, 4 terabytes installed. Peak Pursuit style. Whether I'm storing epic hikes or 200 gigabytes of game downloads, I'm ready for adventures both outside and inside the man cave. Remember, adventure isn't just in the mountains. Sometimes it's right here with your PS5. Hit like, subscribe, and tell me, what's the first game you'd load onto 4 terabytes?